This workflow scenario illustrates the automated processing of small to large batches of sheet metal parts, which include the automated generation of DXF flat files, automated CAD part analysis, automated routing generation, automated manufacturability testing, and the automated generation of CAM bending programs. This step illustrates an automated production work queue to process daily order production that includes an optional download of real-time orders from ERP.
Global Edge Engineering Assistant includes an optional ERP MES dynamic two-way interface that integrates ERP with engineering, manufacturing, and the shop floor. The first step is to launch the Global Edge ERP MES interface by clicking on the following icon. The Global Edge ERP MES interface provides a flexible method to map information between CAD, MES, and ERP, which include part, bill of materials, and routing information. It also includes sales quotes, sales orders, production orders, and scheduling information. This also includes integration with customer website portals to provide accurate, real-time information throughout the manufacturing enterprise. The Global Edge ERP MES interface can run in the background at designated time intervals or in real time. In our illustration, we'll manually download daily order information from ERP to the Global Edge database. We'll start by highlighting the ERP download data map to initiate and complete this download of daily information, which will automatically populate the various work queues available throughout the Global Edge system. The next step is to launch SolidWorks, followed by selecting the tools Global Edge Export Files option, which will display the following file export screen and menu options. Select the batch option and highlight batch number 5. Followed by OK, which will display the file export screen listing the files that are included in the work queue batch.
This step illustrates the automated sheet metal batch unfolding capabilities, including the incorporation of extended data into DXF flat files to facilitate automated CAM program generation.
At the lower portion of the file export screen, there are checkboxes to select the following export options. These options include the ability to perform an importation of complete CAD part parameters, which serve as a foundation for manufacturability testing, automated routing generation, and automated bend program generation. This includes the automated incorporation of extended data into the DXF flat files that can be directly imported into CAM bending software. This process eliminates the manual programming of sheet metal part files for press brakes, robotic folders, and panel benders. Select the Export button to start the processing of the selected sheet metal part with the output options that were selected below.
This step illustrates the automated CAD part analysis capabilities to provide CAD part parameters for automated routing generation, manufacturability testing, quoting, and CAM program generation.
As the sheet metal is processed with automated CAD part analysis functionality, the part is fully analyzed, and complete CAD part parameters are inserted into the Global Edge database. The software then utilizes these CAD part parameters to perform a manufacturability test, which compares these parameters with matching shop floor machine tools. This process provides design for manufacturing functionality that identifies potential fabrication errors at the design stage to help ensure sheet metal parts can be successfully fabricated before reaching the shop floor.
This step illustrates the automated routing generation capabilities to generate optimal routing steps based on CAD part parameters.
The automated CAD part analysis process culminates with the automated generation of optimal routing steps based on the CAD part parameters and matching machine tool capabilities. This includes the generation of DXF flat files that incorporate the necessary extended data to facilitate CAM bend program generation. Select the routing button to display the routing steps that were generated during the processing of the sheet metal part. Select the Close button to return to the import screen, and select the Test Results button to access the results of the manufacturability test that was performed during the processing of the sheet metal part.
This step illustrates the automated manufacturability testing capabilities to identify potential sheet metal fabrication errors before parts leave engineering.
The Test Part tab displays the individual tests that were performed on the selected sheet metal part. The CAD value column displays each of the CAD part parameters that are contained in the sheet metal CAD model. The test limit column displays the test limit values that are defined in the matching bend process. The status column displays whether the CAD part parameter value falls within the bend process limit by indicating either pass, fail, or warning, which indicates it could be a potential issue. The DXF Image tab displays an image of the DXF flat file. This screen provides the ability to scroll next and previous through each of the CAD part test parameters and the test results. When selecting the manufacturability test option in the lower right-hand corner of the screen, the DXF flat file image will highlight an error in red. In our example, the following PEM holes appear in red because they were identified as being too close to a bend line. The Dimensions, Parameters tab provides a complete listing of each of the imported CAD part parameters. These CAD part parameters provide the foundation throughout the Global Edge system for automated CAM bend program generation, automated routing generation, automated production job generation, and automated sales quote generation.
This step illustrates the facilitation of automated CAM bend program generation by incorporating extended data into DXF flat files.
During the processing of sheet metal parts, and if the selection was made to produce extended data DXF flat files, the Global Edge software will embed the necessary extended data into each DXF file to facilitate automated bend program generation. The Global Edge software provides the capability to define bend processes that match the capabilities of your available bending machines and specific tooling. This also includes the capability to match each specific sheet metal part with proper machine tool as determined through the automated routing generation process. Displayed is the Global Edge Engineering Setup screen that provides the capability to define extended data in accordance with specific CAM bending software. In our illustration, we have defined a sample extended data record, select the Update option, and highlight Bend Program Extended Data, and click OK. This will display the following screen form and menu options. Global Edge provides the capability to define extended data for DXF files that are generated with Autodesk Inventor, SolidWorks, Solid Edge, Windchill, and CATIA. This process incorporates DXF file header options that include material, thickness, upper and lower tooling. The next set of parameters include formats for perimeter, cutouts, holes, bends and embossments, other format definitions for stud, location, and other hole formats.
To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.